Yo, what's up guys? It is ya boy back at you with a brand new sneaker unboxing video. And a lot of you guys were asking me the other day what sweater this is or where can you get this Adidas sweater. This is, I believe, the Adidas piped sweater. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below if you guys want to cop it for my Canadian and American viewers. I love this thing. Anyways, we're not here for clothing. We are here for some sneakers, and today we have a very special Adidas sneaker unboxing. They sent over 3 pairs of shoes and 2 of them are Boost. I did take a peek, I did take a sneak peek, so I do have an idea of what I'm about to show you guys. But with that said, you guys don't know what I got, so let's get into it. It's crazy guys, Adidas has been sending over so much mail. Not only do I have these 2 boxes with 3 pairs of sneakers to show you, but Adidas also sent over a massive box this size, but with like 10 pieces of clothing and 2 pairs of shoes. It is crazy, yo. Adidas is showing your boy so much love on SneakerTalk, so thank you Adidas for everything, for all these gifts. You guys are killing it right now. Let's start off with the 2 sneakers that came in first. This came in one day after. Now this shoe is something I really mess with because it is comfortable, it is stylish, you can throw it on any single day and it's pretty much gonna go with most of your outfits. I have already 6 to 7 colorways of this sneaker in my collection so far, and this is now my 8th colorway. It's a Boost box that you might not be able to notice because it's such a subtle branding of Boost, but you guys can see the Boost branding right there with that glare. Bam, let's open this up. Boom, these here are the Adidas and Nike runners, or I-5-9-2-3. Now, I made a mistake. I messed up, guys. I really messed up. Apparently, Adidas did not change the name of the Adidas and Nike runner to the I-5-9-2-3 because of Nike and it sounding too similar to Nike. Apparently, Nike was the name of a hurricane that took place in Hawaii about 25 years ago. And so in the fall of 2017, it was the 25th anniversary, and that, you know, that's not a good, you know, correlation, a good thing to have in relation to your own sneaker. Naming a sneaker that essentially has the same name as the most devastating hurricane to ever hit Hawaii. That's why Adidas changed the name from the Nike runner to the I-5-9-2-3. I'll always call these the Nike runner at heart though, because that's what I started off calling them when they first came out. And yeah, this is a really clean black and white colorway, super subtle, nothing too crazy. This is one of the first times actually that we are seeing a black Boost on a Nike runner. Usually it has, I have a pair here. This is my white and black pair here, and as you guys can see, it's white Boost on the midsole. I'll grab my special London pair that's on my shelf. Here's another pair, black and red with the white Boost. So typically they use white Boost, but this is one of the first times they've used black Boost. I think the only other time they've used black Boost is for the Neighborhood collaboration. So these are super clean, super subtle. You're not gonna have to worry about matching this with anything. Just throw this on with your outfit and you're good to go. Black and white Oreo themed, and it sort of reminded me of an Adidas Superstar, the black and all black colorway. It really reminds me of that. So if you love those sneakers, but maybe you want some extra comfort because, you know, Boost is bae. Boost is bae, then the Adidas Nike runner, or I-5-9-2-3 in this black and white colorway might be worth checking out. With that said, I'll leave a link to buy these in the description down below, along with all the other sneakers I'll show you guys in today's video, if you guys want to cop any. And I'll also leave some extra items of other colorways of the shoes that might be on sale. For now, I will show you guys a couple of the details of these sneakers. So the Adidas I-5-9-2-3 in this black and white colorway has the suede toe box area right here. You also got the neoprene material down the center. It's really soft, it hugs your foot really nicely. You got black laces. These did not come with any extra laces. We got the white Adidas branding right here on the tongue. The tongue is actually connected with the rest of the shoe. It might not look like it at first when you're looking at it like this, but it is indeed like a unibody booty approach right here. There's some extra padding they've also included on the inside of the ankle right here. Taking a look at the booty of the shoe, you got the black Adidas trefoil logo, and then the very bottom of the shoe, no continental outsole like the Adidas Ultraboost, but I do find the Adidas Nike runner outsole to be pretty durable. This is probably one of my favorite sneaker releases of 2017. Alright, let's get to the next sneaker. Now there is a reoccurring theme to this triple Adidas mystery Boost unboxing. I think I just gave it away. Every single sneaker that Adidas sent me for these 3 boxes are Boost enabled, boost enabled. They have boost in them. They have boost in them, so they're all super comfy. This right here is the Adidas NMD Parlay. You guys might recognize this box. It's the white with the aqua hits. Now, if you haven't heard about the collaborations that Adidas does with Parlay, it's pretty dope. Adidas and Parlay take recycled water bottles from the ocean and they mold it and they blend it in to the prime knit or knit upper of the sneaker. So that's really cool. So it's an environmentally friendly sneaker. So let's pop open this box and damn, I love it. I love it. So these right here are the Adidas NMD CS1s. Now the original colorway of the sneaker I absolutely love. It's really dope. It sort of has like this ninja tech wear kind of vibe to it. This looks like a sock. It's like a sock essentially with the boost midsole. So it's a really casual and comfy kind of shoe. It has that aqua parlay color that you guys have become pretty familiar with. We also got on the inside right here, we have some more details with this like graphic number and lettering going on here onto the white prime knit upper. And there is no laces on the shoe. It is a slip-on shoe. We got the black ankle collar right here at the top of the shoe. On the very back, we got the pull tab. We got the Adidas branding up top. We got the Parlay branding on the bottom. And here's a look at the outsole as well with that hit of aqua. Thank you to Adidas for sending over these NMD CS1s. I love these things. Thank you a ton. Moving on to the final pair of sneakers for this triple Adidas Boost sneaker unboxing. I'm hyped for this. This is probably my favorite pair out of the three that they sent over. Ultraboost, baby. You can never go wrong with a pair of Ultraboost. And they did include a little note here, so let's read this note real quick. Raw, natural, undyed. Enjoy these Ultraboost all-terrain shoes, part of the Undyed pack. Signed, Adidas Canada. Hashtag Ultraboost, hashtag gifted by Adidas. Thank you, Adidas, for sending over this little package right here. And the sneakers are, whew, I already know what these are. I've seen these in person before and they are freaking flame. Yellow and purple Ultraboost box, of course. And oh my, wow. Wow. Saw pictures of these online. They look good online, but in person, this prime knit looks insane. It looks impeccable. It looks so nice, guys. Here is the Undyed pack Adidas Ultraboost ATR mids. Wow. Wow, these are nice. These are triple white all over and super clean. Yes, I did wear these earlier, but yeah, these are super clean. Thank you, Adidas Canada, for sending these over. Now, typically the all-terrain Ultraboost mids, this sneaker right here, you could get away with wearing as like a boot, as a thing you can use as a beater when you're hiking and just running around grass fields and forests and stuff. This one here, I'm gonna avoid dirt at all costs. This thing is going to be an absolute dirt magnet, but at the same time, this thing is just insane heat. It's so nice. I will have some fire on feet for you guys to check these out on feet, because I think the Ultraboost ATR mid looks great, but it looks twice as good when it's on feet. So let me know what you guys think about these Ultraboost ATR mids, the Undyed pack. I'm not too sure what other sneakers are a part of the Undyed pack, so I'll throw them up on screen right now if there are any others, and if there isn't, then this is going to be me awkwardly talking about them. But yeah, Adidas Ultraboost ATR mids from the Undyed pack. Thank you, Adidas Canada. Quick little 360 of these Ultraboost ATR mids. You guys can see it has this completely undyed natural material all over the upper of the shoe. We got the rope laces going down the center. We got the Adidas branding dead center right here on the tongue. Here's a look at the booty as well. We got the Ultraboost branding on the back side right here. The boost looks really nice and plush. Gonna be a very comfortable sneaker overall. And of course, we got the Continental Adidas Ultraboost outsole. And if you guys want to cop these Ultraboost ATR mids or the Adidas NMD CS ones, I'll leave links to cop them both in the description down below. Let me know which Adidas sneaker you guys like the most from this unboxing video. The Adidas NMD CS1 parlays, the Adidas Nike runners or the I-5923s, or the Ultraboost ATR mid from the undyed pack. Again, links will be in the description to cop all of these, so if you want to cop them, click those links. That'll wrap it up. If you guys did make it to the very end of the video, comment down below Boost Gang and hit that thumbs up button. Let's see if we can hit 1,500 thumbs up. That would be crazy. And yeah, got lots of Boost to wear on my vacation. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.